Okay, Labor Day, so we're working hard. Here's going in. Alright, end of the slow-mo. Rear's in. Gotta get block nuts. Of course, nobody has metric freaking hardware. I'm gonna have to remove it to somebody. But everything's in. Loosely. We're gonna go back through and torque and idiot check everything. But so far, so good. Looks level. And we could go lower. Let's see how this looks. There's no bed in it, no engine on it. The front end's all sprung. I'm not sure what Brian's plan is with that. But if you look at the angle gauge, midpoint of the frame, it's not too shabby. We'll come after tomato pie lunch.